I love it whenever I get questions from teachers just like you because I get ideas and I get to make videos about those ideas and share them with other people. Our very own Rachel from Greenbush had this question. I think I got them from an email you sent out last year. They're a Google Sheet that students answer multiplication questions and a picture builds on the sheet. Well, that wasn't from me, I don't think, but a happy accident occurred where she put pixel arts onto my map. I hadn't heard of these before. This is an extension. I will link it with the video somewhere. Check the description, check the page on Greenbush Plus. I'll have a link for you to download this to Google Chrome, and then whenever you open it up within a Google Sheet, this is what it looks like for the students. So this is a math example. You can do this no matter, like if you teach math, great, awesome, but if you teach other subjects, you can use this as well, and it's a really cool combination of problem solving, technology, and art. Bam, a trifecta. So 345 plus 276. I don't like math. I was an English teacher. I'm getting my calculator. It's 621. So if you get the answer correct, check out the image right here whenever I hit enter. Ooh, some more of the pixels appeared, and then as you fill in all of the pixels, you're going to get that image to appear. So I've also got an example here for the Constitution. There's the completed pixel art. Whenever you make this, it's going to have the answers. You just delete all of them off of there before you give it to your students, and then they've got to say, well, when was the Constitution written? 1787, and more of the pixels magically appear. How cool is that? So you can make your own with this extension. You install it, and I'm going to walk you through how to make one on your own. I'm going to open up a new Google Sheets by typing in sheets.new. I'm going to open up my extension. I've got it installed. It's right there, and I'm going to say create a pixel art. Now it's going to open up the extension over here on the sidebar, and it's going to look at all of the things that I've added to this sheet. But first, what I really need to do is grab some problems. So you can do up to 10 problems with the free version. If you pay for the paid version, you can do more than that. I'll get out of the way here. You can create 5 images every 30 days. I haven't used any of the AI images, so I don't think you need to use that. But your free version comes with up to 10 questions included. And if you have the paid version, it's up to 20 questions. Just use the free version and just reuse it and reuse it. That's what I'm going to do. That's what you can do as well. So let me go and grab 10 questions. All right, so just to give you an idea of how I use ChatGPT to generate this, my prompt was I need 10 questions for 5th grade science that can be answered with just one word. I forgot to tell it that I need that in a table because that's how it needs to be copied and pasted in there. So the question should be in one, answer should be in another. Now I can just copy this, bring it over to my new spreadsheet, paste that in there, do a little spacing, just double clicks there. So there's our 10 questions, there's our 10 answers. That's what it should look like. And then we have to find an image. So this one is about 5th grade science. I'm looking at a lot of the answers here and they kind of have to do with the solar system. So I'm just going to do a Google search for the words solar system. We'll find an image that we like. Maybe, I don't know, something that would be interesting with pixels. So it should have like lots of details that can be uncovered as the students progress through this activity. I like that one. So we'll right click on the image. We will go to copy image address, and then we're just going to bring that and paste that URL right there, and we'll click create activity. All right, so that took about 2 minutes to generate this. You do have a watermark with the free version, so just be aware of that. If you're okay with that, awesome. If you're not, you can throw some money to this person for creating this awesome extension. So again, if we delete all of these answers, this is what it's going to look like when the students get it, and then as they answer correctly, the pixels will fill in. If they don't answer correctly, the pixels don't fill in. How stinking cool is that? And oh, by the way, make some money doing this. Check out pixel art on Teachers Pay Teachers. This is a Google Sheets multiplying and dividing integers. It's just 20 questions. The teacher's charging $3.50, and they've sold probably more than 63 of them. They've received 63 ratings at $3.50. Again, I'm not a math teacher, but $3.50. Let's just say they sold 100 of them. That's $350 in your pocket. Make that money. Let's go. Even if you don't want to, I think this is a really cool activity. So if you use this, awesome. Maybe send your pixel arts my way and we can have a free place where other Kansas teachers can go and grab those as well. Hope you enjoy that. Hope you got something out of it. Hope you enjoy creating, and I hope your students do as well. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, happy ed teching.